Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a very common digestive issue that affects millions of people around the world: Gastroesophageal Reflux Disease, GERD. GERD is caused by the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus, leading to discomfort, heartburn, and other symptoms. But what happens when stomach acid takes a wrong turn? In this video, we'll explore the different ways that stomach acid can become misdirected and the consequences that can result. Stomach acid is a vital component of the digestive process, but sometimes it can get out of control. When stomach acid enters the esophagus, it should continue on its way to the stomach. However, sometimes it can take a wrong turn and enter the esophageal lumen, which is the tube that carries food from the stomach to the throat. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including 1. Weakened. LES. The LES is a muscle that separates the esophagus from the stomach. When it becomes weakened, it can allow stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. 2. Hiatal hernia. A hiatal hernia occurs when part of the stomach bulges up into the chest through an opening in the diaphragm. This can put pressure on the LES, causing it to relax and allow acid to flow back into the esophagus. 3. Obesity. Excess weight can put pressure on the stomach, causing it to protrude into the chest, which can lead to acid reflux. 4. Previous surgery or medication use. Certain surgeries, such as laparoscopic adjustable gastric banding, and certain medications, such as antacids and proton pump inhibitors, can weaken the LES and cause acid reflux. 5. Diet. Consuming spicy or fatty foods, drinking alcohol, and eating close to bedtime can all contribute to acid reflux. When stomach acid enters the esophagus, it can cause a range of symptoms, including heartburn, regurgitation, and difficulty swallowing. In severe cases, it can even lead to esophagitis, which is inflammation of the esophagus. But what happens when stomach acid takes a wrong turn and enters the esophageal lumen? This can lead to a condition called silent sabotage, where the body's natural defense mechanisms are triggered, leading to inflammation and damage to the esophageal lining. This can cause a range of symptoms, including 1. Chronic esophagitis. This is a chronic inflammation of the esophagus that can lead to scarring and narrowing of the esophagus. 2. Barrett's esophagus. This is a precancerous condition that can develop in the esophagus, leading to inflammation and scarring. 3. Esophageal cancer. This is a serious condition that can occur when the esophagus is damaged by acid reflux or other factors. So, what can you do to prevent stomach acid from taking a wrong turn? Here are some tips. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put pressure on the stomach, leading to acid reflux. 2. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating larger meals can put more strain on the stomach, leading to acid reflux. 3. Avoid trigger foods. Common trigger foods include citrus fruits, tomatoes, chocolate, spicy foods, and fatty or greasy foods. 4. Raise the head of your bed. Elevating the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches can help prevent acid reflux at night. 5. Avoid lying down after eating. Wait at least 2 hours after eating before lying down or going to sleep. If you suspect that you have GERD, it's important to see a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Your doctor may recommend lifestyle changes, medication, or surgery to help manage your symptoms and prevent complications.